Yo guys,
Don't attack
I
each
think the
other.
game is glitched. Like, I'm literally hearing Lucy from Caves. I'm gonna go check it out with Dino Gucci. Anyway, subscribe to Dino Gucci. He's a really cool fan.
Oh, I'm gonna record too.
Alright, let's go Dino Gucci.
Guys, we down and forward. I don't know.
Yeah, we're hearing like Lucy from Caves
But we're gonna
running,
go.
even though we haven't activated the base yet. Like, nah, I hear. What is Doug the Bug doing in here?
Oh, that scared me.
What's Doug the Bug doing in Caves? Well, I mean, he does go for the live camera, so makes sense. This is actually really scary, bro. Now, who should go first? I'm a sacrifice.
No, we'll both go.
I don't see Luke. I don't see him. He sounds like he's coming from over there.
Lucy's here.
Bro, why you tag me?
I tagged him.
Bro, get out of the cave! Get out the cave!
Didn't activate Lucy and it says get out. It says get out.
I don't see it. I don't see get out.
Activate Lucy. This is a fresh new lobby. It
For
says
real.
Get out for me. Just joined.
For real. I'm gonna show YouTube the code. I'm gonna show YouTube the code. If y'all watching this, join this code if you ever experience this. What in the world is actually happening right now, bro?
Okay, I'm gonna go second.
Bro,
I'm gonna stay rock monkey. Hold on, I'm gonna go from behind.
yo, let's go back.
Okay,
Let's go
one
both
second.
down. Let's go both down. Hold on, let me turn behind too. Nah, I hear the thing, bro. I hear the thing.
I see Lucy. Run.
Bro, why you take me again?
Hurry. Run, no. Come down here. Come back down.
Okay,
You just left me.
come back down, bro.
Just
Come
left
back
me.
down. Come back down.
Lucy is over there.
What is that thing? What is that purple thing?
Oh no.
I'm gonna go touch you.
Lucy went down that hall.
Ew! I guess I like it. Nah, I hear Lucy right there. Oh my god! That scared the freak out of me.
Does it say get out for you now?
Nope. Guys,
that
do
was
not join
scary.
this code at all. Let's get into another code. Holy freak, that scared me so much. That scared the living life out of me.
Who summoned Lucy? Because it says get out for me.
Well, for me,
Get out.
it does not. Well, at least we don't hear it anymore.
Bro, that's
If anybody ever experienced, tell us in the comments. What in the living life